Hello, good morning and good evening also to Divya, to Neha and to Ramya. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes. So how are you all? Are you all doing good? Are you all fine?
Yes.
Very good, very good. Good to hear this. So, are you all enjoying our day-to-day activities, whichever we are doing? Yes? Very good, very good. Okay, so today is our watercolor painting. Today is our watercolor painting activity. Aren't you all excited to make a good painting? Yes, very good. So nice of you. I am also excited to teach you something new. Okay? Yes, just a moment. Uh, Hi, Ashwita. Hi, Radhya. Good morning. How are you?
Good. Good, Mia.
Yes. So I would be repeating the material what I have listed. Okay. So watercolors, whether they are water tube colors, whether they are water cake colors, whether they are bottle colors, any will do. Okay. Watercolor brushes, whether you are having round brush or flat brush, any will do. Okay. Then your regular stationery, pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, okay, then your a bowl of water to mix the color and a rough cloth so that you can wipe the excess color of from the brush and your art sheet or the drawing book, whatever you have. Okay, are you all set
Yes.
with the material? Do we start our session? Yes,
No,
yes,
ma'am.
Anaya.
And my mom's getting the water.
Yes, okay. Okay, by the time your mom is getting water, we have to draw the border on the paper. I will be saying you all how to draw the border on the paper. Okay, Anaya, kindly switch on your camera, dear, because I am unable to see. Also, Divya, Anaya, I am unable to see you, dear. So I am just placing the mobile so that you will be able to see my work. How am I doing? And you have to do in a same way. You have to do in the same way. Are you all able to see the drawing paper of mine? Yes. Okay. Very good. So, my dear kids, we are going to draw the border to the paper. How to draw the border? Okay, so this is the scale. This is the scale. Now, 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. 0 to 2 is 2 centimeter. So, we have to mark 2 centimeter here. We have to mark 2 centimeters here and draw a line.
Ma'am, I can't see your line.
I have just now drawn the line.
I can't see it, ma'am. I don't.
Are you able to see?
No. Actually, yeah, but how many centimeters?
Yes, that's what I told you, dear. From 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. From 0 to 2 is 2 centimeter. We are drawing the border of 2 centimeter. So
Okay.
you have to mark again on the other side. We will be drawing the border on all the four sides. So same step to be repeated again. 2 centimeter mark from here 2 centimeter you mark from here, and then with the help of the scale and the mark points, just match the scale over there and draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. Just a second, give me a moment.
Measurements
Yeah,
again.
give me a moment. Yes, the girl who has logged in from Sri Ram Sabasan. Dear, can I get your name, please?
This is Nikita Sriram. Tell.
Hi, Nikita. Hello. Yes, welcome to the class. Welcome to the class. How are you? Are you doing fine?
Yes.
Very good. Very good to hear this. Okay, so today we are going to do watercolor painting. Are you excited to do watercolor painting?
Yes.
Very good. So the material which is required is your art sheet or the art paper, okay, or your drawing book, watercolors, whether they are cake colors, poster colors, tube colors, any of them will do. Watercolor brushes, whether they are round or flat, any will do, no problem. Your regular stationery, pencil, eraser, scale, and sharpener that you have to keep with you. Then a bowl of water to mix the watercolor, a rough cloth so that you can wipe out the extra of the watercolor. Okay,
Amma, I already
so
have. Okay.
these much things we need, and we haven't started yet, so no problem. You are not late at all. I am placing my mobile to the screen. So you will be able to see what am I doing. I will be explaining again up till the part where we have done right now. See, this is my scale. This is my scale. So
Okay.
from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. From 0 to 2 is 2 centimeter. What we have to do, we have to draw the border from all the four sides of 2 centimeter. So how we are drawing? We have to mark first 2 centimeter at a edge. Then we have to mark the 2 centimeter at the another side, and then we can draw the line keeping the points near our scale and draw the straight line with the help of your scale.
Can you go slow, teacher?
Yes, yes.
I'm not
We are
done
just drawing. Yes. So this type of border you have to draw on all the four sides of your paper.
Ma'am, can you tell us what to do again?
What, dear?
The
Can I explain again?
to dip on the brush and dip on the color and
Oh, I
color.
already have a brush.
No, there are a lot of other brushes. You can use it. Oh, are you on mute? Okay, listen.
Yes, Ashmita, did you say me anything?
Can you show how you did it again?
Yes, I am showing. See, are you able to see my paper?
I can see your
Yes.
paper.
See what? See, from 0 to 2, mark a point from the pencil. Okay, we have just marked the point. Okay, again my this paper is big, so I am marking 3 points because the paper is big and my scale is small. Again from this edge, on this edge also I am marking 0 to 2. Okay, now keeping where we have marked the points, we have to keep our scale there. With the help of the scale, we are drawing a straight line. With the help of the scale, we are drawing a straight line. Understood, Ashwita?
Understood.
Ma'am, I am done drawing my border.
Okay. Kindly wait. Kindly let the kids do it.
Okay.
Yes. Once you are done, just unmute yourself and say me that you are done so that I can count on the kids who all are left and who all have done. So our paper is ready with all the 4 borders. 1, 2, 3 and 4.
Can you wait, teacher?
Yes, absolutely. I'm waiting, dear Anaya.
Ma'am, I'm
Yes.
done.
Yes, Shalvi.
Teacher?
Yes.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, Neha. Yeah, can I get your name again? Uh, Sriram Sabasan. Can I get your name again, please? girl logged in the name of Sriram. Can I get your name again, please?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, all of you are done. Sanvi, are you done?
Yep.
Okay, very good. Ashwita, Aradhya, done? Ramya, done?
Done.
Shishira, done?
Done.
Yes. The girl in the name of Sriram. I repeat you, please kindly say me your name again. Kindly unmute yourself and say me your name again. Anaya, done?
Yes.
Okay. So now what you have to do? Everybody is having dark blue watercolor. We are going to take dark blue watercolor. Okay, but before that, just in the bowl of water, dip your brush and remove the excess of water. Dip your brush, remove the excess of water and just move it on the paper. That removal of excess water, only little water is there inside the brush. Just with the help of that little water, move it on the paper, your brush. Only water brush. Move it on the paper. Are you understanding? I have just taken water in the brush and I am moving around on my paper. Okay. One important thing. My paper is in the sleeping position. Okay, landscape position. So I am moving on to the same direction. See, now it is very important how you color to make the best painting. Okay, coloring step is very important. I have done the water brush also in sleeping position. I am going to do the entire drawing in sleeping position only, the entire coloring part in this position only. So if you all have done it like this in the standing position, you all have to do the coloring part also in standing position. Only then you will get the best drawing. Okay. Now, everyone take out your blue color. I want to make the sky blue color. Okay. So if anyone is having directly sky blue color can take that. I was not having sky blue color. So what I am doing? I am taking some blue color and I am mixing white color in it. I have taken blue color and I am mixing white color in it. Okay. So I need
Ma'am,
sky blue color.
can I
Yes.
use light blue? It's just like sky
Yes,
blue.
yes, yes, yes. If you are already having light blue or sky blue, you can use that color directly. But if you are not having, like I am not having, so what I did, I took my dark blue color first. Now I am mixing that dark blue color with some white color to get a lighter shade. Okay. So in this manner, I will be able to see. I have got sky blue color. Okay. Understood, everyone? Am I going fast or it is normal for you all? Yes. Is everyone understanding? Now,
Yes.
again, for your reference, I will be writing this is the top of my paper. This is the bottom of my paper. Okay. So I am going to make the drawing reverse. You have to copy as it is. I am going to make the drawing reverse. You have to copy as it is. Okay. So that it is easy for you, I am making the drawing reverse. I am making the drawing upside down, but you all have to copy as it is. Okay? So first I am starting with the top. With the top you have to start. Okay? Just do the blue color, the sky blue color. Okay? And keep coloring in one direction. Keep coloring in one direction. Don't change your direction of color. Kindly children, it is very important for a neat and tidy drawing. Don't ever change the direction of your drawing. The direction should be as it is. See, I am doing in a sleeping position. I will be continuing to do in the sleeping position only. I am not going to move the paper in the standing position or anyhow. Yes, Gia? Anyone is having any doubt till here? Are all understanding? Okay. Till half of the page, my color will be this tone. Okay. A normal tone, light blue. But after moving downwards, from half when I am moving down, it will go lighter. From half of the page when I am moving down, my color will go lighter. Okay. So how to do the light color? Just keep adding less of color and let it be more of water. You are taking water, right? For mixing the colors. So it should be less of color. See, like this. You can observe the water inside the plate. How the water is there. So after half of the page, I am going to do it like this. So my color is going to happen, but it will be looking very much light. We are showing a late evening sky. Okay, we are showing a late evening sky. Ramya, can you please be on mute? See, this much water is there and see the tone of the color. So with this, I am going to continue doing the rest of the page. The color is happening, but it is light. The color, I still repeat, the color is happening, but it is light. The color is happening, it
Teacher, teacher, is that white color? Is that white paint or water?
See, it is water. See, I have mixed a lot of water to this light blue color. See my color.
So are you using like for the bottom? Are you using water or just paint, white paint?
No, 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 no. The light blue color what I made, I mixed more of water into that. And what happened when we mix more of water, the color becomes watery. So the shade of color will go automatically light. So I am doing that only. My color is the same. It is the same light blue color which I am using, but I have used, see, I am taking brush of water in it and again mixing. So what will happen? It will lighten the tone of the color. Whenever we are adding water to a particular color, it lightens the tone of the color, right? Are everyone understanding? Remember to color only in one direction, kids. Okay, the entire drawing we are going to do in the sleeping position only. Okay. Now, once you are done, let your paper dry completely. Once you are done, let your paper dry completely. Now, are you able to see the lighter color also? Okay, remember kids, this is the top of my paper. This is the bottom of my paper. Okay, this you have to keep in mind. For every drawing session, I will be drawing a reverse drawing. A drawing which is upside down to me, but you can copy as it is. A drawing which is upside down to me, but you have to copy as it is. It is for the ease for you all kids to understand. Once you are done with this, let the paper dry completely. Are you all having cotton at your home? We will be needing little of cotton Little of cotton. If anyone is not having, kindly say me. I can give you a option also.
I'm not allowed to use cotton.
What dear?
I'm not allowed to use cotton for crafts.
Okay. Do you have earbud? Do you have earbud?
Yes.
Yes. You can use earbud instead of cotton if you are not having normal cotton.
Okay.
Remember, kids, once you are done, kindly let your painting dry. Kindly let your color dry completely. Once you are done, kindly let your color dry completely. Kindly let your drawing dry completely. Everyone, once you are done with coloring, kindly let your drawing dry completely. Yes, the girl in the name of Sri Ram. Kindly say me your name again, beta. Are you able to hear me? Sri Ram Sabasan.
Yes.
Dear, what is your name? Kindly just say me.
Shriram Sabesi.
No, your name, your name.
Nikita?
Nikita, right?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Actually, you are new, so I am not well versed with you. So, I'm asking again and again. I will remember now. Nikita, have you done?
It's still drying
Okay.
because it's all dripping from my borders. And it's all dripping. She said let it dry.
Oh, okay.
Let it dry.
Yes,
Okay.
let the entire coloring dry. On this, we are going to draw. So we have first made the base ready. The basis of the evening sky, what we are doing. So now let it dry.
Good job, Nikita.
Teacher, is this how the painting that should look? Is this how it should look?
Yes, the middle part now, which is dark, and the down part is very much light. Just mix it through a light this brush. Just try to mix it. Is your drawing dried? Anaya,
Yeah,
is it dried or it is wet?
it is wet.
Okay, yes, good. Then you can try to mix it a little bit with the light colors so that both will go in combination.
Kavani.
I don't have white. I don't have white paint.
Okay, okay, no problem. Then it is good. Only take little bit of water and do. Not more of water. Okay, only little bit of water you take and then do. Just try to balance the colors.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes, dear. Yes,
And also I made hearts. Also I made hearts.
yes, I saw that. Very good.
It's not dried yet.
It's okay. Whatever is done, it's fine.
She says it should be fully dry.
Mm.
Yes. Teacher, does
Yes,
it look
dear.
better now?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
my picture is actually dry.
Yes. Okay. We will start ahead. Let everyone also come with us.
Okay.
Yes.
It's dried now.
The dried, then tell her.
It's dried.
Yes. Very
Right.
good. Yes. Very good. Ramya and Shishira is done. Okay. Sharvi, don't take it up in your hand. Your paper is folding. Don't take it up in your hand. It will tear off, dear. Let it be down. If you can just flip on your camera so that I can see, then it's okay. Otherwise, let it be down because we applied first the water and then we have done the color. So don't take it up.
Teacher, is this how
Yes,
it is?
yes, Anaya.
Okay.
Yes, Anaya. Let it dry, Anaya? Tanvi, is your painting dry?
Almost.
Okay.
Ma'am, our papers are still wet.
Yes, no problem. I am waiting for more 5 minutes. No problem. Yes? Ramya, is it right? Neha, Divya? Everyone's painting is dry?
Almost there.
Divya, Anaya, Ramya, Sharvi, Tanvi, Neha, Nikita, Shishira, Ashwita, Aradhya. Everyone's painting is dried by now.
A few
No, my painting is not dried.
Okay.
our paintings are dry. Almost dry.
Okay.
Mine is dried.
Okay. The next color what we have to take is green color. Green color. This green color.
Teacher, my one dry with me.
Okay, the next color what we have to take is green color.
Ma'am, I don't have dark green.
It's okay, you can take light green. The grass green color. We are going to make the grass. So the grass green color.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes.
Dark green or light green?
You can take a combination of dark and light, or you can simply take dark, or you can simply take light. We want to make grass. Okay? So
Ma'am,
we are taking green color.
ma'am,
Yes.
actually, I lost my flat brush. So can I use any other brush?
You can take any of the brushes, flat or round. Any will do.
This one would do.
Yes,
Okay,
that is
thank you.
flat only, dear. That is a flat brush only. Will do. Okay. Now see how we are going to draw the glass. Okay. Remember, I told you this is the top of the paper. This is the bottom of the paper. So the lighter shade where we have done, that is the down part. The lighter blue where we have done is the down part. There we are going to make the grass first. Now for making the grass, first make a cloudy kind of structure like this. Curved lines, I can say curved lines. Okay, just from the brush, first give it an outline, make your curved lines like this. Okay, when you are done giving this outline, then inside that coloring becomes easy. Okay, when you are done giving the outline, then inside that coloring will become easy for you all. So why we have made borders? So that our color is not going to go out from the border. Okay. So kindly keep in mind that your color is not going out of the border.
Teacher, accidentally my little bit of color went out of border.
No problem. Little bit of the color is going out. As you are doing this type of painting for the first time, it is absolutely okay, no problem. But now keep in mind that your color should not spread out more. Okay? Okay, Anaya?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Initially, we are drawing this type of grass. The finishing also I will show you. That will be at the end of our painting. Each and every
Actually,
finishing of the painting will come in the end of it.
I'm done, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Let it dry.
Ma'am, I'm done too.
Yes, let your green color dry. Okay, once if you are done, let your green color dry as we made our blue color dry. While doing from watercolors, it is very important that your colors should be dried and then you start with the another color. Because what happens, watercolors then spread out. If the
I'm
colors
not
are not dried properly, then they will be getting spread out. Yes, anyone was saying something?
teacher. I'm not using watercolors, and my painting is almost dried. So is it? This is so my painting will not. The green will not spread out, right?
Yes, it will not spread then. What color are you using, Anaya, then?
I am using these kind of paints.
Okay. Now we are done the grass, just a part of grass. The finishing to that grass will be at the end. Okay. So now just keep your brown color ready if you are done with your grass.
Teacher, I don't
Yes,
have brown yet.
you don't have brown, you can take black color then.
Okay. Or maybe
We are going to draw a tree.
it's
So
dry.
the trunk of the tree
It's
I
dry.
am going to draw with the brown.
Ma'am?
Yes, Ashwita.
No, it's me, Shishira.
Ashwita told me something. Okay, it's done. Very good, Ashwita. Yes, Shishira.
Oh, I forgot now.
I'm done.
Yes,
I'm done.
Nikita. Okay. Yes, Shishira.
I said I forgot.
Okay, no problem.
Mine
Whenever you
is
remember,
dried
you
now.
can.
Mine is dried.
Okay, Nikita. Okay, everyone is done doing the green color. Ramya, Sharmi, Neha,
Dry.
Ashmita, Aradhya.
Mine's dried. Yep, it's dried. It's almost done. Mine's almost done, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone take out your brown colors.
Yes, teacher.
This is the brown color. This is the brown color. Should we start? Yes. So draw the slanting line. From bottom it should be broad. From coming up it should be narrow. With the help of the brush only. See, like this. Then like this. Okay? With the help of the brush only we can do this. Now we are going to draw the branches for this. We are going to draw the branches for this. How we will draw the lines which we have drawn, we will stretch it. Again, we will make a slanting line this side. Okay. And again a slanting line here, like this. So it will be a curve. From here we have done a slanting curved line because now we are coming on to our branches part. Okay. So the branches are never straight. Okay. Again we will be drawing a curved slanting line. Like this. Like this. Again from here we are taking like this. This is the third branch. Now we will slant this branch up here and we are going to join these two like this. Now from this side also we are going to draw little branches like this. And from this side also one little branch like this. We have to color this now. Okay. We will be starting from the down part. Why we did first the outlining? so that now it will be easy for us to color. Now it will be very easy for us to color it. So we have done the outlining part first. Are you all understanding? We are filling it with the color now, with the brown color only.
Okay.
Okay, earlier we have done the outlining of the tree and the branches along with it. Now we are filling it with the color.
Mhm.
Teacher, can you tell the next step?
You are done with the branch coloring.
I'm done with the tree. I'm done with the branches.
Okay, whether it is dried.
It's already dried.
Okay. So now the cotton step will come now. I told you all to take the cotton. Let your color dry first. Let the brown color dry first.
It's already dry.
Yes, dear. Yes, yes. Others are also there, right? So we have to be with all.
Our picture is done.
No, it is not being done. We have not completed our drawing yet. As it is watercolor, I can understand drawing will take time. So I am absolutely okay. Do it very calmly so that your drawing will come very neat.
Ma'am, when I colored the tree, my paper was dripping.
Your
Ma'am,
paper was
dripping.
dripping.
Yeah, can I do that? Can I do this picture again?
Yes, you can. First you do right now. Then you can practice it again also.
Okay.
What happened? Show it to me. Just place your camera there. It's okay, Shishira. As of now, continue in this, and then I will be posting the picture in the group, right? So you can practice it that time.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Understood, dear?
Okay.
Yes, Ramya, show me. Yes. Yes, Divya, very good. Yes, Ramya, I have seen very good. Nikita, very good. Ashmita, very good.
Teacher, my one turned out kind of bad. The tree.
Yes, it's absolutely okay, no problem. It's very nice. It is not bad. Never criticize it. It is not bad. See, kids, you are drawing this drawing for the first time. So I am definitely sure it is not going to come as it is. Okay? But yes, you can anytime practice it. Right? Right, Anaya? Yes. Very good. Good girl. It is not bad at all. For me, you all are trying. That is the most wonderful thing.
It's dried.
Shall we done?
It's dried.
Okay. Shall we done?
Yes.
Okay. Now the cotton part is going to come. Okay. Again, we will be needing green color. Okay. This time the more of dark green. This time the more of dark green. Okay. This time the more of dark green.
We'll have to go ask if I have cotton.
What, dear?
I have to ask if I have not cotton. So can you wait?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Can I watch for today?
Can I?
Can I watch for today? Then tomorrow I will make a new picture.
Okay, will do. This one we are going to do with cotton.
I
Okay.
don't have cotton.
You have earbud,
I don't have cotton.
half cotton. Na? Ha, will do. We need only this much of cotton.
But I
We
don't
need
have
only the, okay, you have earbuds.
earbuds.
Yes.
Uh, the thing that you clean your ears with.
Do you have or don't you have?
I don't have it.
Okay. Then do one thing. Do it from the brush only. I will say you how to do it from the brush. Okay.
So can you also teach how to do it from the cotton? Because I have so much cotton.
Yes, yes. I am going to do it from the cotton only. Don't worry. I will show her how to do with the brush also. Okay. So see, this is our cotton. This is our cotton. First, we are going to just take the green color in the cotton. We are going to take the green color in the cotton. Okay, see, the green color is in the cotton.
I didn't hear
Now,
what you said. I
huh?
didn't hear what you said.
Take the cotton, take green color in the cotton. Okay, see, this is my palette. So I am just moving the cotton around here. I have got green color inside my cotton now. Now, you have to tap it like this. Same procedure is with the brush also. Take the color in the brush. Okay. Take the color in the brush and tap it like this. Okay. Same as with the brush. Same as it with the cotton. Okay. So
Okay.
the girl who is not having cotton, you can do in this manner with your brush. You can do in this manner with your brush. Okay. Yes, you can take the color inside of your branches also, because the green part is always covered. The branches is always covered with the green leaves, right? So you can take it inside.
Done.
Now, these branches also we did. Okay. So we have to just only little of the white space should be seen.
I'm done.
Yes, yes. Kindly wait. Let your drawing dry.
Are we done? Yet.
No,
Are you
dear, we are not done.
saying? No. Are you so sweet?
Okay. So this is the tree what we have done. Now
I'm
here,
done.
this side, we
My
are going to
drawing
make a bench. We are going to make a bench. That
is
can be with the
dry.
help of the
My
scale.
drawing is dried.
We are going to make this side. Let it dry of this side. Okay. We are going to take a scale with the help of the scale. With the help of the scale, just draw lines like this.
I don't know where my skill went.
So just with the help of your scale,
I can't find my skill. No. Is it okay if I can use this popsicle stick?
popsicle stick. You want to use it here?
Yeah, because I can't find my ruler.
It's okay, no problem. You can do with your popsicle stick. Okay, make
Yeah,
a broader line like this.
I have so much popsicle stick. I can use the glue. Right. Yes.
We are
No.
making lines like this, sleeping line and standing line.
No.
Show her this and tell her, you have another class you have to join. Say bye to her, okay? Come on, tell her.
No, it's not done yet.
But Miss Alicia's class is there, right? It's your school class. You can't miss that, right?
This is starting right now.
Yeah.
Okay, see.
It's okay, you did a fantastic job. She'll be happy with you.
So we are drawing the
With the skill.
bench. We have drawn the
It's
bench.
flying the skill, so I'm using a popsicle stick.
Good. Okay, can you tell her you have to join Miss Alicia?
Yes.
Okay, tell her.
I have to join my class.
Okay, Nikita, no problem. I will be sharing the drawing with you. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Do you want to show her?
Bye, Nikita. It was nice meeting you.
But look,
Yes. Very good, Nikita.
Thank you, Miss Ruchita. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. Okay. So we have drawn the bench and now we are going to fill the color with the sketch pen only because it is very much narrow. It is very much narrow. So we are not using any kind of color to watercolor to fill it. Otherwise, your color will be spreading over. Your color will be spreading over. So we have just done it with the help of the black sketch pen only. Okay. This bench is the final part and then the grass finishing we have to do and then we are completed with our drawing. Okay, so this we are doing with our black sketch pen only. Kids, are you getting me, kids?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Okay, remember not to scribble it more because we have done our watercolors. Then our paper can tear off. So remember not to apply pressure. Just do it with your light hands. Okay, so we have drawn a bench.
Ma'am,
Coming to the finishing part of the grass. Coming to the finishing part of the grass.
ma'am,
Yes, dear.
what is that thing?
What thing?
The one you
This
just
is a
colored?
bench. This is a bench. Do you see the benches in the garden?
Yeah.
Yes, the trees are around. There are benches also so that the people can sit on it.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so this is a
I have
bench.
drawn. I have drawn that before.
Yes. Okay. So now coming to the final part of the grass. Just with the help of the sketch pen, draw some zigzag lines like this. So we will be able to make out that this is the grass. Do you all want to include the moon in it? Do you all want to include a moon in the drawing?
Yes.
No or yes? Okay, so
Yes.
this, okay, so I will be showing you the moon part also. This you can draw near the, in the brown color also, with the help of the green sketch pens, you can draw in the brown color also. So that it will give a actual feeling that the tree is coming, the grass is ahead, the tree is behind the grass. So the grass we can see above. Okay. For the moon, for the moon, it is very simple to draw a moon. We are not going to draw a full moon. We are going to draw a crescent moon. Okay. So with the help of the white color, take thick white color. It should not be watery. Otherwise your color will not be seen. Okay. Don't take the water in the brush. With the help of the white color, we are doing the moon. With the help of the white color, we are doing the moon. Remember, kids, we have not drawn a full moon. This is a crescent moon which we are drawing.
Teacher, can we also draw a full moon?
Yes, if you want to draw a full moon, you can definitely draw a full moon also.
Can I go to the restroom, ma'am?
Yes, yes, dear.
Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I'm done.
Yes. Let your drawing dry. Do you all like this?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. So this is the evening view of a garden side drawing. Evening view of a garden side drawing. What we have drawn. So here we have completed our drawing for the day. Did you all like it? Shalvi, did you like it?
Teacher, I'm done.
Very good. Wow, very nice. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Very good.
And now tomorrow I will draw and my mom will send it.
Yes, yes. You can even practice it.
Okay.
Yes, so that your coloring will even grow more good. Divya, are you done? Ramya, are you done?
Almost, Mom.
Okay. Sarvi, are you done?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, very good. All of you kindly post your pictures in the group. I will be loving to see your all drawings. Once it
Okay.
dries, kindly post your pictures.
Okay.
Yes.
Mommy.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm done.
Yes. Okay, those who have done, you all, those who have done can leave the meeting. Bye. See you
Bye.
on Monday.
Bye.
Bye. See you on Monday.
See you on Monday. Bye.
Bye.